Good afternoon, good evening. Dave here. Bringing you another day at the farm. The sun's going down. I doubt if you can see it. Nobody's allowed to see the sun. But since we recently had a sprinkle, actually, it didn't rain that much. We did have a sprinkle, but just enough for it to cause standing water for about a day and a half or so. That's all it takes for it to start to form mosquitoes. And I'm gonna get outside for a little bit. I'm gonna get my glasses anyways, but if I can find them. There they are. I hope it's not that windy or the wind's gonna pick up the microphone. Those look like rain clouds, but they're not. I don't think they are. I'm giving myself the shadow. So I'll tell you what, I'm gonna put the thing here and get on this side. I think this would probably work better. The watermelon is growing now. It's growing very healthy. I'm hoping it won't get dark before I can show you a sample of it. It's getting a lot better. I hear a motorcycle. Hold on. Well, I had some company over and I had to stop it for a little bit, but they're leaving already. Roll. Come here, Roll. Come here. Come here, Roll. Yes, you're a good little boy. That's a good little puppy. Anyway, that's my guard dog. I'm not sure we can. I'm not sure if there's good lighting. I wanna come over here real quick and we're gonna. I doubt if we have very good lighting right now, but it's still coming out. There's let's see if I can spot some of them. There's one right here. There's one right here. See that small one right there? Oh boy. That's one coming out. Many of them are starting to sprout pretty much. It's getting dark out here already, but maybe tomorrow when there's more light, we can do something better. So for now, we're gonna call it quits. There's a lot of wind right now. I'm not sure if you can even hear me now. Y'all maintain your social distancing. Y'all be safe out there and stay close with your family and try to avoid if you suspect that people might be sick of COVID-19. I can't stress more of this, enough of it, but anyway, we'll be talking to you on the next video. Y'all take care and God bless.